lights blur in the pouring rain. 100 voices calling out my name. The world is spinning on a heavy tilt inside this house of cards we didn't build. But I just listen for the turning of your key. The only sound that ever anchors me. Oh, they can have the silver and the stars. Let them have it. The fast lane dreams and the getaway car. Found my fortune in the palm of your hand. So precious, a quiet gold that I finally understand. When the sky turns gray and the cold winds blow, loving you is the easiest thing I know. Easiest thing I know. Easiest thing I know. We don't need a movie screen romance, just a kitchen floor where we can barely dance. 2 coffee cups and our tangled up sheets. Ooh, tangled sheets. A safe retreat from the bitter streets. You see the shadows that I try to hide, and you stand like a beacon right by my side. Oh, they can have the silver and the stars. Just keep on. The fast lane dreams and the getaway car. Found my fortune in the palm of your hand. A quiet gold that I finally understand. When the sky turns gray and the cold winds blow, loving you is the easiest thing I know. Easiest thing I know. Easiest thing I know. Time is a thief, I know that's true, but it can't steal the way I look at you. Through every fading season, every little line, it's just another beautifully written sign that you are mine. Yes, you are. Ah, you are mine. My quiet gold, the easiest thing I know. Yeah, they can have the world, just let it go. 'Cause loving you is the easiest thing I know. Is the easiest thing I know. Is the easiest thing I know.